Before we start, I will show you a video.
Well, I was hoping you could run a plate for us. We are in a really big hurry.
Sure. What's the plate?
29 T
Number.
29 THD03.
Two. 9.
THD03.
T.
HD03.
H.
D03.
D.
Isn't it funny? Do you know the name of the slowest animal? It's sloth. Sloth may be slow, but they have many special things. My name is Sheera. Today I will talk about sloth. Sloth is a mammal. Their fur is brown, tan, white and gray. It's 4.5 until 6 kilograms, 2 meter until 2.5 meters long. They have long sharp claws to get good grip. While they are climbing and hanging from the branches. Sloth live in subtropical and tropical areas in dense jungle. Their country is South and Central America. There are 30,000 animals left in the wild. Cause of endangerment is deforestation. They are herbivore. They eat buds and fruit, but their favorite food is leaves. They eat in the day. They eat in the day because leaf has a little nutrition. They have strong stomachs to process their food. Sloth make summer until spring. They carry their babies for until 5 months. They give birth to 3 babies. Sloth is one of the slowest animals. They live up in tree because they are easy to find food. On ground, they are easy to get eaten by predators. And they are good swimmer. Whee! Audience, sloth may be slow, but we can learn from them. Example, they eat anything and they patient. Let sloth get creation, even animals like sloth. My name is Sheera. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye!